Welcome to day 5 of December deep cleaning, and today I am doing doors. And some of the doors are going to be more dirty than others. I was actually kind of surprised that even like the closet doors upstairs, like you would think that there's no splatters or sticky things on it, but I mean, I have children, so like the worst doors in the house are going to be like the front entrance door and the bathroom doors, just because people like splatter water with their hands and stuff like that, or like mud from the boots gets on the closets and stuff like that. I am doing everything including the door frames and the baseboards around the door frame. And so the goal behind this is I've done the trim for the windows, I've done the trim for the doors. And so when I do the baseboards on the floor, then all of the baseboards in the house have officially been wiped down, dusted, or scrubbed of any spots. It may seem like such a subtle thing, like these are fairly clean doors, I get it, but like genuinely it makes such a difference when you've cleaned the entire room and you have a dirty door or a scuffed door. Like some of these are just like little scuff marks that I'm like scrubbing off. It really does make a big difference. I managed to compile a bunch of footage from Christmastown. I was like honestly running rampant with 3 children around Christmastown this year. Like with 3 kids, it's really just hard to do anything. I always had the baby in my arms the entire time, but I have enough footage from other years that I can kind of like put it all together for you guys, and I do have like a cute little clip that I'll be uploading. I don't know when, because I want to focus on my deep cleaning videos, but yeah. If you haven't already, just make sure that you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time for part 6 now. Oh my gosh, we're gonna be like halfway tomorrow. I'm so excited.